Hey everyone, welcome on in. Happy Sunday. We're going to continue on with our Jimmy Edits. Hey Sister 4, Deadly, good to see ya. Welcome on in, you guys. Hey, you made it in. Jimmy Edits, good to see ya. We are going to continue with our drawing on Face app, which, you know what, I think we're actually almost there. I need to make it so what I should have done is post it so it's easy for you to get a link access to it. Right now, there's no link access. Let's see if I can figure this out. Did I have an index.html? Okay, I did. Okay. Perfect. Hey, Sister 4. Hi. Hey, Not K. Good to see you. Welcome on in. Happy Sunday. Good to have you here. Yo, Ryan. Cool. Good to see you, Ryan. Good to have you here. Hope you're having a good weekend so far, you guys. Let's see. Where do we leave this off at right here? So get status. Is everything good? All right. So what do we need to do? I could actually... you did the event on Friday. Oh, you did. Hey, how did it go? You did the event? That is, I remember you talking about this. So it was at your company, right? At your business? Yo, Mason Drake, good to see ya. WSP Jimmy. Wait, what is WSP? Is that what's up? Hi there. Hey, Seek the Ball. Good to see ya. Welcome on back. It was fun, it was fun? Nice. Good to hear it. Yeah? Nice. Okay. What's up? We are going to be building ourselves. So let's go open the index HTML. And then I'll pull this down over here. Bring this over here. All right. So I need to... This should be showing up on my face now, right? You can see it showing up on my face. I think so, yeah. So I need to do a few things. One is we need to scale it, Ron. So right now you can see I'm only in the top corner of the screen. It's not fully aligned. It's not completely aligned yet. Good morning. Hey, Deadly. Good afternoon. Good evening. Hey, Deadly Tubular Death. Your name. Are you Joe? Hey, Joe, is that you? Hey, Ruchit, welcome on in. Happy Sunday. Good to have you here. Hope you're having a good weekend so far. Ruchit, do much people got 10K? Yeah, I think so. A lot of people, actually. Quite a few. Uh-huh. Yeah, they do. You know it. Oh, you know what? All right, we're looking good. Yo, Ruchit, thank you for the 100. My gratitude to you. Hey, you're always doing that. You're like, here you go. Here's a little bit more. Every single stream at the very beginning. And I made $1 million. Yo, what? Did you? Whoa, wow. That's amazing. Also, I was not late. Finally, hey, sister, you made it in on before we started the stream. That was amazing. You did a good job on that. Good job. All right, so what we've got here is a sort of, what do you call it? Hey, Gloomy. Good to see you. Welcome on in. Happy Sunday, Gloomy. Hope you're doing good over there. You're back, James Mason. Good to see you. You mean people got 10K at the event? Oh, is that what that meant? Okay, that makes more sense. Understood. Yo, it's going there. Nico. Yo, Nico. Hello. Welcome on in. You went to the movie theaters and watched the Spider-Man Brand New Day. Was it good? Hearing a lot of people saying it's good. Got to check that out. All right, so let me see so what do we have to do here? So I need to do a couple things. One is I need to make this available for everyone so you can start drawing on my face. Hey, how's it going there? Yo, Kanusta. Hey, Nico, hello. You read comics? I have read them before. Let's see here. Get the next song going there. I have read them before. Microsoft Moderna. What is that? Yo, Lucky Leon 9999. Good to see ya. Remember the bad news from yesterday? James Mason? A little bit. I try not to remember the bad news. I know you said something. I know you did. How is it though? Is it better now? Or is it worse? Yo, Monkey, how's it good to see it? Yo, can I get a shout out? Monkey Hassan. Hey, how's it going? Good to see you. Welcome on in. What's the stream about? So, Austin. Hey, Austin Automates. We are going to build a drawing on my Face app, which we did. So you can see the code over here. And I'm going to open source it here in a second. I'm going to open source it so that way you all can see where the code is. And I believe it's around here somewhere. All right. Wait. Before I do that, get status. Then I say get add. I don't know what I changed. Get commit am ready for sharing, I assume. And then push to main. All right, good to go. Yeah, and also will you play a game? Oh, James Mason. Maybe at some point. Right now, maybe next weekend. How about that? Will you finish today? We have got a lot of features to add. So one is, you can see that we need to add colors. I need to increase the resolution. The resolution's not big enough yet. New camera angle. Yo, Lupus, yes. Hey, you recognize it. All right, yes. I moved the camera from there to there. right there to there. There you go. Heard about Bangalore, Silicon Valley of India? Yes, I have. I have heard about that. I certainly have. Hey, bro, were you aqua-hired in your first job? Oh, wait, how did you know about that? Yo, Din Snow. How did you know? How did you know about that? I don't tell people about that. Yo, use the color spectrum. Yes, Monkey is on. We got to add the colors. So we got to add colors. We got to do a lot of things. You guys. Let's see if we can add a lot of things. So let me go to repositories here and then draw my face. And then I need to go to settings and then open source this. Yeah. Settings and open source it. Where are we at here? Is it closed? Change visibility to... oh, wait, it already is public. Oh, it's already public? Is it? All right, so then I need to enable app pages here. Let's enable pages on the main branch save. There we go. All right. Yo, XO, Leith, good to see you. Thanks for clicking the hi button. Let's see. Announcement, everyone. Give Steven gifts to subs his channel. Yo, thank you. Thank you very much, Not-K. Didn't Snow, where'd you hear about that? How'd you know? How do you remember so many keywords and logics? Oh, Explorer. Sorry, I just saw your message there. So many keywords. It's just practice. It really is. It's just practice. If I miss your chat message, guys, you let me know. Just say, hey, Steven, go find my chat message. I can't give gifts because I don't have enough. Hey, no worries about that. You're good to go. Sister 4, just good to have you here. Looks like Snapchat filters. Wait. Oh, you mean like the little squiggly line? Wait, where's the line at? Right here. Wait, right here. Where's it at? I can't see. It's around here somewhere where it's squiggling on the screen. Hey guys, happy birthday to my sister. Hey, happy birthday to your sister. Your dev console like flooding logs with each stroke of the cursor. Yes, it is. It's a flood of logs. Yep. You know it. So we need to figure out how to open. So is this available now? So this should be draw on my face. So it's draw on my face. And then I need to click this over here. Grab this. It'd be stevenlb.github.io/draw on my face. stevenlb. Here we go. Paste there. Perfect. Okay. And that should be the URL for it. No. I got this wrong. I got that wrong. It should be stevenlb. Here we go. stevenlb. There we go. Why Microsoft acqui-hire you? Oh, because it was my first company. Yo, look at that right there. Look at that. Oh, we're making it work now. I love that. All right, we really got to change that resolution. We got to get the resolution working just right. We could probably make it the right resolution so that way it's the same size of the plugin. Lupus, wait, login. Did you like it? Sure. I think so. Yes. My dream is also to get acqui-hired, and tool to acquired is still possible in 2026 for a student solo. Well, you need revenue. I think you need revenue. I think that's a big part of it. Use 8K resolution. There we go. Maximize that resolution. Oh, you want 4K? No. That's not good enough now. 8K. What's your favorite game? Probably Minecraft, Marvel Edits. Probably Minecraft. When you got live, my food was already done. Oh, well, fantastic. So that means it's dinner time or lunchtime or breakfast time. Funny lines. Yeah. We gotta make them show up here on the screens in a different way. So we have to modify this. So this is available to you guys. You can actually draw my face now if you want. I'm gonna throw it on the Discord. Here we go. Under link share. Well, I'll put this in main chat. Draw on my face. There you go. There you go, guys. I gave it. Now you've got the link. If you want, you could draw on my face. You can. Right here. Wait, was my face right here? No. My face is right there. There we go. That's where my face is right around here. Right here. Okay. Next stream. Wait, Monkey, what do you mean? You could draw my face right now if you wanted to. Yo, Francois, good to see you. Welcome on in. Happy Sunday. When were you born? When did you make your first video? Also, what is your favorite joke? Hey, that's too many questions, James. You get one. You get one question. Why'd you ask three, James? Why'd you ask 3 questions? So yeah, if you guys want, I put it on Discord so you can actually draw my face if you want. It should work, I believe. I'm pretty sure. Let's see. 1080p 2K is enough because yeah, I think so. Above to make your load on your stream. Well, I've got enough. We could do 4K. We could. Stream doesn't support that though. Stream only supports it a little bit. All right, let me see. What James Mason, when you were born, I was born in the 80s. So that means I'm in my 40s now, right? I was born in the 80s. That means I'm in the 40s. And my favorite video game, probably Minecraft, because that's the one I play the most, Minecraft. My favorite joke, that's one that I don't have. I'm too serious. Come on, AK, I know someday. Wait, what? Pneumonia ultra microscope, silicus, what are you trying to do? Wait, who are you? Pneumonia. Pneumonon? Ultra microscopics. What is your name? What are you doing over there? Say it. We're trying. Hey, how's it going? Good to see you. Yo, how's it going there? 6-7 gold bars. Good to see it. Can I do it on mobile? Yes, it should work on mobile. It doesn't work on mobile? That's a problem. Well, let's see here. How do I grab that? How do I test on mobile? Let's see here. I'm gonna just type it into the user in the browser. All right. So it's called stephenlb.github.io. stephenlb./draw my face. Draw hyphen on hyphen my hyphen face. All right, go. All right. Oh, you're right. It doesn't. It sort of works. It works a little bit. It doesn't work well. So I have to prevent default. Okay. So there's a few things that I have to do. To make it work better. All right. We'll make it work. Don't you worry, you guys. Don't you worry. We'll make it work. We will. Let's see. Peace upon you, brother. Hey, Mr. Detective. Good to see you. Use Brave browser for the QR code. Yeah, that could work too. Hey, David Solomon, welcome on back. Good to have you here. All right, you missed. I missed you. Yo, wait, what? Yo, I missed you. Just came back from the hospital having an allergic reaction to Bashir. That sounds like a tough situation. That sounds like a pretty tough situation there. Yo, nice. Async. Hey, how's it going there? Async. Good to see ya. Let's see. 1 second. Let me see. I think you need to disable scrolling. Yes, I do. That's it. You got it. That's exactly what we have to do. So we have to, prevent default is what we have to do on our bind. So point, where is that at here? Point, here we go. So we have to say event.disable default. How do you do that? 1 second. Google disable default event. Prevent scroll. It's called prevent default, I think. Let's see here real quick. Touch move, blah blah blah. All right, yeah, prevent default. See, look, hey, right there. We know what we're doing. Except for disable. It was not disable. It's called prevent. All right, there we go. Prevent default done. Easy, right there. I think that's it. Function prevent default from scrolling. Return false. And then we just pass that in as an event right there. I think that should disable scroll. Okay. There we go. All right. Looks good to me. That's not Python. That's JavaScript. Hey, async. Yep, you're right. It's JavaScript. You studied at Western Washington University. Yo, you're going through my resume, aren't you? You're on LinkedIn, Den Snow. You're on LinkedIn. What are we doing? Oh, Shin. Okay. So we are building an HTML5 draw on my face app. And you can actually draw my face now. It's there. It's on our Discord. So if you want, you could do that. Let's see. X is now run by some bots. Can't even know to detect false positives. Is X that you mean Twitter? Do you have Drive? Do you drive? If so, what car? I have driven before. I've had some vehicles. I can't tell you specific ones because that's doxing information. You're trying to Francois. Oh, Python. Wait, no, Lord. Hey, Lord. Lord Dudius. Hey, Lord Dudius. This is JavaScript. What exactly is this? We are building an HTML5 paint on my face app. So we're making it work right now. So I believe this should do the trick. I should be able to say return false. So that way it prevents default. And that should do it. That should enable mobile support. Get add, get status, get commit, enable, let's see, prevent page scroll, prevent page scrolling, push to main branch, there we go. All right, now it needs to cache clear and a couple of updates need to happen before that starts working. Yo, how's it going there, Ashish? Good to see you. Welcome on in. Yes, I'm your information is also available on ChatGPT and Google. Oh, it is. Oh, okay. Got it. I didn't realize I was that well known. I didn't know that information was out there. You upgraded to Pixel 9. Yo, you noticed. I did. Yes, you noticed so much. I did it immediately after stream. I got the new Pixel. I got the new Pixel phone, you guys. You can see it right there. Right there, the new Pixel phone. See, good to have you guys here. Let's see, what'd you say? You also know C++. Yes, I do, Monkey. I do. Also know C++. Even your first startup, LT Sun, as information available. You're famous, dude. Wait, no way, didn't know. Really? Wow, that's unexpected. Hey, OG Build Ski, good to see you. Welcome on in. Happy Sunday. Fun fact, did you know that red and white onions are exactly the same except for the anthocyanins? The white onion has none and the red has a lot of them. Okay, good to know. I didn't know about that. The more we know, you guys. Let's get the next song going there. There we go. Yo, how's it going there, Nico Smith? Welcome on in. Happy Sunday. Good to have you here. We're doing a Draw on My Face app with HTML, JavaScript, and CSS today. We're going to make that work really well. Let's see. I believe that might have updated by now. Let's see if we got our mobile going. All right, let's do this. I'll click that. And where is the go button? Let's see, can it reload that? Okay. Is it working? Yes, it is. Okay. It should. Wait, yo, what just happened? Where'd that at? 1 second. Bring it back. No. Okay. Where'd it go? Ethan LB draw my face. Okay. Is that better? No, it isn't better. It's not better. It's not better yet. Or is it? No, it's still scrolling. It's still scrolling. Okay. I need better. I need more. Overflow hidden and stuff like that. Okay, here we go. Overflow hidden on everything. On canvas body, everything. Overflow hidden. All right, perfect. All right, that should do better. Let's reload that. Looking better? Okay. Looking good. Yo, Nico Smith, thanks for saying hi. Everyone, even for your first startup. Okay, let's see here. My goal for this year is to make as many YouTube videos as possible. Very nice. Good to hear it. Not sure what's happening on screen, but it looks cool. Good. Hey, how's it going? Thank you, Moss. Thank you, Moss Mollusk. We are building an HTML5 Draw on My Face app, and this is going to let you could draw on my face. Technically, right now, if you found the link, you could draw on my face. You could. And we put it here in my Discord if you guys want. Right there. And I'm trying to improve it. What's the link to? The link is, how's it going there, Takumi? Yo, Takumi, good to see you. Welcome on in. Happy Sunday. Let's see. The link is on our Discord right here. So if you click on the link right here on our Discord, you'll be able to grab that. And you should be able to draw my face. Right there. And we should probably also add some sort of like time limit on it. So we should probably also add a time limit. Let's add that here. So we need to add features. Let's add features. All right. So time limit on line point duration. Yo, someone's trying. Yo, I see you. Look, you're doing it right now. You just have to go to the top corner of the screen. Go to the top left corner. The top left corner is where that is at. So right now, that's where the problem is. It's got to be the top left corner. The top left corner is where you're looking at. Let's see here. What I need to do is I need to increase the resolution. I can join to just now. All right, sounds good, sister. You're starting a revolution? Wait, Jay, bro, what are you doing? Bots should not be allowed to ban humans. Wait, will keep us read and only keep us watch? Ads, yes. The bots, they want you to watch ads because it's ad revenue, right? Ad revenue, they want to advertise. They want to capture your attention. Let's see. Best of luck, Tech Man. All right. Thank you. I hope you have many silly virtual face hairs and drawn on you. Hey, thank you very much. Thank you. It doesn't work on the desktop too. Wait. It should work right there. Look, it's working right now. I'm working on it right there. Is it going to work on Firefox? Let's see. Firefox. I'm going to open it up. It even works in OBS. Guys. All right, so 1 second. See, it's even working in Firefox. This is Firefox right here, you guys. So it's not good. So it's not obvious. So you have to go in the top left corner of the screen to make it work. The top left corner. Yo, see there? I see you're doing it. Hey, see, look, that's you. You did it. You're doing it now. All right, someone figured it out. Hey, don't worry. We've got more to do. We've got more to do. That's really funny, is it? All right. Yo, Gloomy, I missed your messages over there. Did you really like my LLM or were you being polite? It was good. It did what it needed to do. Can you add drop pins and pins or change colors? Yes, we got to do that. We got to do that. So we got to do colors. We got to add colors. We got a lot to do things over here. Let's see. Color changer. Yeah, we got to do that. Yo, Ego Hack Zero. Good to see you. Welcome on in. Can we get the link on Twitch to Discord? Can we get the link on Twitch or Discord? Yes, the link is on Discord. Yo, Potato Protector. Good to see you. What's going on? Well, we've built an HTML5 Draw on My Face app. It's a JavaScript, CSS, HTML. And if you click the link in our Discord, you could draw on my face. However, it's not a perfectly well-built app right now. It's not fully perfect yet. So in order for us to make it work well, we have to make some updates. We have to change things around. So let's see if I reload that. Okay. I need the canvas to go to this page of the width size of the entire page. So that's what we're doing. You probably have to add mobile touch events. Oh, we do. You're right. All right. So pointer move should be enough. It's just that it's not preventing default well enough. Do I have to do something more on prevent default? Is there something more that I have to do? I'll leave that open there. Hey, Gloomy, I still had it open. I still had it open right there. So where was this at? Where did it put this? Prevent default. I had it over here. Okay, 1 second. Did we miss anything? Let's see. The page is still scrolling. Overflow X. We have to do an overflow X and Y, I think. Does VR work on draw face? Yeah, it should. Yeah, it should. Hey, Mr. King Midnight, good to see you. Your eyes hurt? Oh, sorry about that. Yeah, bright screen there. It's fun. This is sick project. Wow, it's pretty cool, right? It's pretty great. I just need to figure out how to make it work better on mobile because it's not working great on mobile right now. So let me see if I can reload that. All right, let's see here. Yeah, see, it still requires tapping. So I need to add more mobile support here. All right, so where is this at? Yeah, height equals 100%, no scroll. Let's see, let me see, overflow hidden, I added that. Fixes some mobile browser quirks. All right, so let's try that. We'll try 100%, and then we'll add that in here. Whoop, okay, 100%, looking good. Let's see, better, looking good, okay. No problems there. On mobile, yeah. Hey, Richie, you have 3 versions of Python, so how to switch? Use virtual env, right? VN, yeah, tool for Python version switching, and the terminal command, yes. I don't remember the terminal command specifically, but you just use the virtual environment. So based on the version of Python that you have installed on your machine, you just use that version of Python to create the virtual environment. So it'd be like Python 3.7-mvn, something like that. Something like that. So then when you activate that virtual environment, it'll use that version of Python. Does that make sense? You're on mobile? Nice. Yeah, so the mobile's not perfect yet. The mobile's not perfect. So we have to do work. Yo, you guys are getting crazy over there. Look at that. All right. How can I draw? Mason Drake. So the answer is on our Discord here. So if you go to our Discord, you can grab this link right here. I'll also put the link in our link share. So it's in both places. Link share and in general. They're on our Discord, you guys. Right there. So we need to update this to make it a little bit better. Well, this is an excellent feature, man. Hey, Jay, thank you. New ideas are popping in your head. Why not this feature YouTube Live? People can write on the screen. Yeah, there you go. Right? It should be part of the YouTube Live. Thank you, pal. Sure, absolutely. You got it. No worries. Let's see. If I miss your chat message, you guys, just let me know. Just let me know. Okay, let's keep going here. Okay, so I want to see if I can figure this out. We need to do more. Did I get height 100%? I don't know if that's good enough. Git add, git commit -am. We added height HEI 100%. Did I? No. Here, 1 second. HEI GHT 100. All right. Push to main. All right. Let's see if that does better. I don't know if it's gonna do better or not. Yo, Animate. Good to see ya. Wait, Animatey. Oh, Animatey Makey. Hey, Animated Makey. I like your name. That's a good name. Hi, good to see you. Welcome on in. Can I add you on Roblox? I mean, you could if I had an account, but I don't. I don't have an account there. Do I click your account? Yes. So it's on Discord. So on our Discord, it's in the link tree. In the link tree. So that would be, right, if you go over here. Let's see here. YouTube, Stephen LB, or Stephen Blum right here. And then you go into this right here. Right there. Discord, right there. You click on that right there. It's right there, you guys. Wow, it's like I've seen the future, and the future was bright. You are gifted. Wait, keep going, bro. Hey, didn't snow. Thank you. Thank you very much. Does it work with the iPad? It will. We're trying. We need to add more features. We need to add more features, you guys. We're not done yet. We got to add more features. Scroll. Window event listener fails. Okay. 1 second. I need to add more. No scroll. No grow. 1 second. All right. Enable scroll. This function to unlock the scroll. To disable the scroll. All right. 1 second. Old Firefox, modern browsers, mobile touch environments. This is what I need right here. Oh, there we go. Here we go. Touch move. Okay. So this is it right here. I think probably. Prevent default is what we need. We need this. We got to do prevent default, I think. So let's try that. Let's try that, yeah? Let's see if we can make that work. Okay. Paste this. Add event listener. Okay. Add event listener. Body. So does it need to be body or does it need to be the window? Window. Can we do that? Is that something that we could do? Oh, I see you're trying to type over there. I see you trying to type. I see you trying to. Why do you look like Elon Musk? Yo, Dare. Hey, how's it going there, Dare? Oh, welcome on in. Happy Sunday. Good to have you here. Do I look like Elon Musk? Do I? Mark Zuckerberg or them? Like a rich, like, you know, these billionaires? What's the Discord link, sister? It is on here. Where is that at? 1 second. Let me add this real quick. Let me add that. So I need to add this. We gotta do some work, you guys. We gotta do some work. Where is that Discord link at? Here, 1 second. All right, sister, here we go. Copy link to Discord. All right, double check, is that good? Okay, 1 second. All right, whoa. Let me see if I could I need to like add some more other things here. 1 second. I can't. I knew it. I knew I should have added the reload button. I knew I should have added the reload button. Okay, 1 second. Here, there's the Discord link. Is that normal? Your screen's full of green lines. I know, right? I need to fix that. I need to fix that. 1 second. Where is this at? So let me go to my docs, my vertical sources. Vertical sources. There we go. All right, let me bring this in here so I can see that. All right. And then I need to go to the browser. Where's that? Draw my face. There it is. Okay. So that should turn that off real quick. Let me do a reload. How do I fix that? Let's see. Question mark. Okay, 1. Okay. All right, that reloaded it, but you can still draw. Yeah, that still works. Okay, good. Okay. 1 second. Bring that back over here. Wow. Yeah, Garcia, is it, let's see. What is that latitude? Wait, Rudra, what are you doing over there? What are you doing? Let's see here. 1 second, you guys. Let's see. I'm going to do a few things. Can you do it on the phone? You can. It's just not very good yet. It's just not very good. So I kind of jumped in early. So it works. It's just not well. It just doesn't work well. Yeah. See, you're figuring it out. You're figuring it out now. You got it figured out. There you go. Okay. Let's see here. Window, add event, touch moves. Try this. So that should be a prevent default. And then I believe we just say event. You know what? Is there a prevent default over here? So we don't need to say event codes E, not for scroll keys. We don't care that. We just do prevent default, right? For scroll keys, key down. Oh, keyboards. We don't need to worry about that. Mobile touch events. Yes, I need just this. This is the only thing I need. What is wheel opt? Wheel opt dock, wheel mouse. Really? Wait, what is this? This is weird. Create element div. Oh, you have to bind it on an element on. Oh, got it. So you have to put this onto. So that's why. Okay. Okay. body. There we go. That's what we got to do right there. Okay. And then we need to pipe in an event. Here we go. And we say prevent default. We don't need the wheel opt. Here we go. Prevent default. Can you do phone? Yes, I'm sorry. Yep. All right. Sounds good. All right. Here we go. 1 second. All right. I think I figured it out. Okay. All right. Understood. So I need to prevent default and return false. There we go. Okay. And then I need to prevent scroll. I think maybe, right? Prevent scrolling. Maybe. Mobile scroll. Give me a couple minutes. All right, Mason Drake, sounds good. Let's see. I think that should do that. I think maybe. We'll find out. That might actually make it more difficult to draw. It might just make it more difficult. Yo, how's it going there? Yilo? Fella? Good to see you. Yilo fella. How do you do it? Let's see here, 1 second. Get status. Get commit AM. We want to say... what do you call this? Let me bring this back over here. I need to make sure that this is correct. So I have to make a little indicator. Where is the stroke size? It's around here somewhere. Here we go. Line width. All right. So let's go to 3. Let's split it in half. We'll split it in half real quick. And then we'll make it magenta as well. Red, green, and blue. Actually, we'll make it magenta here. There we go. All right, give it commit. Prevent scroll attempt. Push to main. Okay, we'll see if that does a trick. I'm not sure if it will or not, but we'll find out. We'll see if it does. I think it might. It's not working on VR. You tried to draw. Is it not? Okay. It should. It should work. Your vodka is blocking the keyboard. Oh, is it? Oh, the water. The water. Yeah. Yo, MD, good to see you. Welcome on in. Happy Sunday. Good to have you here. See, is that better? The water's out of the way now. All right. Hey, you guys are drawing my face. I see it. I see it happening. Real quick, reload that. Reload. Yeah, look at that. I mean, that's cool. So, I need to make sure that's actually working on mobile now. So I would like to reload this here real quick. Question mark 2. There we go. Okay. All right. So it's going to look like that now, which looks kind of neat. That looks pretty neat. You know, I wonder if we can add some, like, what do you call it? Transparency. I wonder if we could add transparency. I think that would be pretty neat. What do you think about Omarchy? It's a great operating system. I think it's good. Can you change it so when we can add stamps or stickers on your screen? Oh, that's a good idea. Good idea. I didn't even think of that. You're just a fan of brain rot now. Apparently, I am now. Hey, Gloomy, I miss your. I miss your messages there. Yes, we're trying. Fix mobile, please. I'm trying. There's a lot of things that we have to do. Wheel event. Let's see, passive. What else do we need? Prevent scrolling. To disable page scrolling to prevent the default browser behaviors, you must intercept the input events. Touch, move, and key down instead of the scroll event itself. Okay. Modern browsers treat scroll-related events as passive by default, so you must explicitly set passive false inside your event listener. Prevent default to work. Oh, so I need to do this. How do we do this? Support passive. Supports passive true. Supports passive or false. Wheel opt. Oh, these wheel opts here. Okay. So I need to add that in there. Okay. 1 second. Prevent default. So I need to add this on the support passive right around here. Let's see here. Yo, what's going there? OV Web 3. Good to see you. Welcome on in. Happy Sunday. I'm trying to support mobile right now. I'm trying to do mobile support. All right, so this needs to go right here, I think. Like that. Passive false. Or do we want to do passive true? Passive false. So you must explicitly set inside your event listener for prevent default to work. Okay. So that is our opt. Our wheel opt will be, let's see here. Supports passive. I'll just say passive false. Okay. We'll try that. We'll try that. Let's see if this does the trick. Okay. Git commit am prevent default. Okay. So we have to let that cache clear first. Once we let the cache clear, then we will... Yo, hey, Jose. Yo, hey, 4 Trick Shots. Thank you for subscribing and joining the right channel for software engineering. Good to have you guys here. Welcome on in. Today we're building an HTML, CSS, and JavaScript app that lets you draw on my face. And we have a lot of work to do. So we need to set also the canvas size. We got to set the canvas size here. So that way it can be bigger. Now, where's that at? Where's that at here? While that's loading, we need to set the canvas size. All right, 1 second. Okay, I think we got our answer. So there's our canvas. Now, I want to change the size of the canvas to be the same size as the screen width. So Google set div, set canvas same size as full screen. So that would be like the client width and height, I think, right? Something like that. Let's pull this over here. All right, margin padding, blah, 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 blah. Display block. Yes, inner width and inner height. Okay, this is what I need. I need to do this. On the Windows resize. Okay, literally, this is all I need to do right here. I just need to grab that code right there. Okay, so I should be able to make that work. Hey, how's it going there, Standard Z Plays? Welcome on in. Small. We're trying to make it work here. Let's see, paste. Set, paste. Here we go. Steven, what your go-to LLM you like to use, or have you made your own? My go-to? Probably Opus. Let's just say Opus. That's an easy one. Opus. There you go. You speak Bengali? Opus. All right, here we go, you guys. Canvas. No, we have that. Resize canvas. Inner width, inner height. Sounds good. Boom. Done. Okay. Reload. Yeah, there we go. Hey, that's what I'm looking for right there. Okay. Much better. Much better. Git add. Git status. Git commit. So you got full screen. We got the full screen. Push to main branch. Okay. And then let me update my local real quick. 2. Okay, here we go. Let's go 3. Here we go. All right, looking good there. And then where is that? Did that do it on this side too? It did. Okay, good. Okay. Good. Excellent. All right, so now we've got better. Now it's better. Yes. Looking good. All right. Let's see if mobile works now, you guys. You're typing like a dinosaur. No, I'm old. I'm an old person. Here we go. Let's try to reload that. Mobile support still not working. Let's see here. Is it because... Here we go. 1 second. Here we go. Okay. It still doesn't work. Okay. I'm not sure what I'm missing. I mean, your hands? My hands? Well, I guess it's because they're above the keyboard. I suppose I could just put them out on the desk like this. Let's see. Are you sync draw with request animation frame? Yes, I am, Scott. Yes, I am. Let's see. You can see that right here. You got it right there. Or right there, Scott. You know it. Or right there. All right, here we go. Thanks for the hearts, you guys. Appreciate it. Where are we at now? Here we go. So we also need to add, I need to make this, it's not good enough. All right, so Google full HTML mobile web app support. I need the meta tags and prevent scroll, those sorts of things. I need the full. It's got to be the full thing. Okay, because I'm missing stuff. All right, viewport, device scale width, yes. Here we go. Okay. Theme, all right, looks good. I'm gonna copy and paste those things real quick. So that way we grab those over here. And do those have to go in the header? They do, okay. So let's grab this over here. head. I missed your message, sister. What'd you say? Sister, you said I tagged you in a post, Steven. Yo, thank you. Hey, all right. I'll have to go check it out. I'll have to check it out. Absolutely. Let's see here. Head. Okay. / Looking good there. All right. That should give us, let's see here, enough for everything we need. Okay. I need this grab over here. Set no paste. Set no paste day. There we go. All right. Yo, Scott. Whoop. Yep, there we go. Syncing draws with request animation frame. Yes, you got it. Hey, sorry I'm late. Hey, Restart. Good to see you. Welcome on in. Good to have you here. We're just building a draw on my face app here real quick. Not real quick, actually. Kind of slowly. All right. Where'd we leave off at? So that helps with the mobile potentially. Was there anything else? But yo, what are you doing? I see, what the? You're scanning across the screen there. Position fixed, locks the viewport. Okay, so let's do that. Position fixed. On the HTML body. Okay, HTML, body. Yo, I see what you're doing there. That's pretty neat. Let's see, blah, 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 Astel system. Do we need that? Do we need this? Over scroll behavior, none. There we go. Select none, prevent selecting. Here we go. Okay. Viewport, width, height, flex, padding top, safe area, insert top. Adopts beautifully. I don't care about that. Border, blah, blah, blah. I see what you're doing. You're scanning across the screen there. That's pretty neat. Yo, hey. Mashin. Yo, Mashin, thank you for the GLHF. My gratitudes to you. That was awesome. Unexpected. Thank you very much. You're wonderful. Where's the link in Discord? Yes, it's in Discord. You got it. It is in Discord. Absolutely. Absolutely. What else are we missing? Scroll, isolate, internal area. Only allows specific divs to scroll. No, we don't need that. Auto overflow, none. So I'm going to make sure that we have that. Overflow Y is hidden and X is hidden. Okay, bring everything there. All right, I think that's everything. Okay. Oh, wait. Also, document, body, event listener, touch move. Scroll, wait, is scrollable area, target, is scrollable, just prevent default. And then passive false. Okay. So we're just going to do that, period. That's it. Just period. We're just going to do that. Okay. Looking good. Looking good. I'm doing a heart. Oh, are you? Nice. Thank you. How do I draw? You very with some difficulty. With some difficulty. So first you go to our Discord. You click on the link here, draw on my face. Click on the link right there. And then you just start drawing. And we're trying to add mobile support right now. Git status, git add, git commit, more mobile. There we go. Push the main branch. And then we're going to see if it works there. You're doing the scans, are you? That you're the one doing the scans? Animatey Makey, you're doing the scans? Hey, Noti. Yep, I see him. I see you doing that. I see it over doing my face there. This is awesome. That's fantastic. Okay, let's see here. Okay. Yep. You got my face now. You got my face. You're blocking me out. I see what you're doing there. Actually, I'm kind of curious to see. Can we resize the canvas? Ah, yeah. Does it go down? All right. So there's only a certain area here. Does it go? Oh, it kind of does a little bit. It does, doesn't it? So that is the full size there. Ah, we're getting maybe. I don't know. Let me see if I can scroll. I'm doing some experiments here. All right, can it go down there? Let's see. What is this? I need to see. I'm trying to see if I can see that. Okay, I can, but it's still in the top right corner of the screen. So what we could do is I need to update it so that way it's always in the right viewport. So I have to do that. That's like some extra effort there. So it's always in the viewport. When the mouse click, it draws. Let the upgrade this only when the mouse clicks. Only when the mouse clicks. Yeah, so that is something else we could add in as well. I could add that in as well. So I'll add that as a to-do item here. All right. Only when mouse clicks does it draw. All right, we could do that. Only when mouse clicks, C-L-I-C-K-S, does it draw. Can you send an invite to draw to you? Yes, Mason Drake. Here, I'll send it. I'll send it. You're scanning over my face. I see it. I see what you're doing. I see you. I see you. I see it. Yeah, so let me grab this. All right, copy. There you go. All right, here you go. At Mason. There you go. Right there. Keep the paint for 15 seconds. Oh, wait. If I did that, the screen would be completely covered. It would be completely covered. I have to add a limit. I do. Yo, Alo. Alo, where's it going there? Alo, welcome on in. Hi. You can't see anything. I can see. Yeah, exactly. You wouldn't be able to. If the screen was allowed you to paint for 15 seconds, it would be chaos. It would be pure chaos. Although, if you were to hack the system, you could actually do that. You could. There's a way to do it. There is. I'm with you. Nice. Good to hear it. Good to hear it. All right. So let's see if that actually did the trick. Let's see if we can load this up here. All right. So click this button. Is there this? It would be nice if there was a really good reload button. Let's see. Reload. Okay. Oh, much better. There we go. Ha ha ha. Look at that. See, I can do that too. So I can scan on my screen. I don't know if you could see that very well or not. There you go. See, if I scan, I scan. Wah, 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 wah. You could see it. You could see it. Yeah. It's working. It's working. All right, we fixed mobile finally. That only took us like a good 10 minutes. Panel for changing color. Yes, we got to add the color change next. All right, so mobile is working. We've got mobile support. And then I also need to add like a timeout or something. So that way the lines eventually disappear. So right now they're staying around, but they have to disappear after a while. We got to make them disappear. So let's see here. Resize panel, pane. There we go. And then we'll go down. We'll say 10. All right, looks good. Perfect. You're back. Hey, Hassan. Good to see you. Welcome on back. Good to have you here. Got to go. All right, so Gloomy, thank you. Thank you, Gloomy. Thank you very much. All right, let's see here. Where are we at? So now that we got all that working, I need to add, I want to remove the old items. So we have to go through and we have to do like a cleanup or something like that, right? Or when we're drawing them, we need to have a timer on it. So I need to set a timer. So I need to see draw time, the draw moment. Can you add me as a friend? That might work. Mason Drake, on Discord? On Discord is what you're saying? What is your ID? Also, if you want, you can just go to look you can find the link. Where is this at? I'm also put it over here on our here we go. On our GitHub. Where's that at? Did I put it around here somewhere? All right, let's do this. Yeah, see, you guys are scanning all over my face. Drawn rainbow colors. Yeah, we could do that too. Oh, that's super awesome and cool. Hassan, yeah, it's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. Let's see, 1 second. So, Steven, draw on my face. Here we go. Settings. And then I'm going to update this to be the GitHub pages. Get rid of these items. Website URL is the GitHub pages link. There we go. Save changes. Okay. So, it's also here. So, if you go to Steven LB on GitHub, Steven LB on GitHub, you'll see the Draw on My Face app. And you'll be able to click the link here as well. So you don't need to join Discord if you want. Put on PubNub, Steven, the drawing thing. That's what this is. That's exactly what this is. Not K. Oh, but the rainbow colors, it's going to take us a while to get that. It's going to take us a while. I see the scans. I see you're like scanning across the screen there. I see what you're doing. I see it. You're drawing right now. You're drawing. It's actually working. All right, where are we at here? All right, so hide that. Clean that out. We're gonna do a little bit cleanup here. Okay, set color. So right here is where we need to add a color capability. Right now, only I control the color, so it can only be me. Only me controlling the color. You only have Discord? Oh, okay, well, perfect. So all you have to do is join our Discord here. if you want. I sent the link. You're making a triangle. Are you really? That is difficult to make a triangle. Whoa! Hey, you're doing. Oh, that's cool. I want to try that. I want to try. Yo! Hey, that's really neat. All right, here we go. All right, how do you do that? So here. Hey, there we go. Triangle. Look at that. Yeah, that's neat. So you do three fingers. Can you do 4 fingers? Yes, you can. Look at that. You can do a square. Yo, look at that. That's cool. Yo, that is satisfying. You can do a square. Can you do like a, yeah, you can. You can do like an pentagon. You can do a pentagon. There we go. Pentagon. All right. Also a pentagram is there as well. Here, there we go. Triangle, square, triangle, square, triangle, square. Hey, look at that. That's cool. That's very satisfying. Hey, how's it going there? Mulana, welcome on in. I'm doing 10. That's a lot. That sounds like a lot to me. Your PC's lagging. Oh no! Hey, no, don't worry. That's probably us. That's probably us here. That's our doing. That's not your doing. That's us. No worries about that. Hey, it's so good to have you guys here. This is really neat. This stream is lagging from the drawing. Is it? It is kind of lagging. Video maintains smooth streaming. It says that we're transmitting data just fine. I see it. Our computer's not lagging though. Our computer's lagging HTOP. So see, we've got almost nothing's happening on our compute. We're good. We're good. There's no challenges there. Let's see if I can reload that real quick. Let me hide that. You know what? I'm going to close this really quick. 1 second here. Close that. Close. There we go. Okay. Let me bring this back. So yeah, I am lagging in some way. It's definitely me. All right, so how do we fix this? All right, console.log, delete, save. Okay, reload. Let me update this here as well. Draw my face, do a 4. Okay, looking there. All right, much better. All right. Hey, all right, we got it back, you guys. Sorry about the lagging. It was because I was console logging everything, and that was a problem. It's better now. Good to hear it. Oh, I didn't mean to say that. Wait, you didn't? Bro, I got hacked on GitHub. Oh no, wait, you can't get hacked on GitHub. There's no way. What are you talking about? You can't join, Hassan? Well, if you want, the link, just go Stephen LB GitHub. Just type Stephen LB GitHub in Google, and then when you do that, watch this. Go to Google, type Stephen LB GitHub. LB GitHub. If I gotta spell it correctly. Type that in. You get this page here. You click on Stephen Blum GitHub. Then you go to my repositories. And then you click on the very top one. Right there. Draw on my face. And then you click the link right here. And then you can draw. There you go. Now you can add in. You can add in your own drawing right here. Like that. That's how that works. So there you go. Do pastel green, please. Okay, we'll do that real quick. Pastel green. So what color is that? What is pastel green in hex code? Google pastel green hex. All right, I want the hex code. It is 77DD77. Okay, so it would be 7D7, like that. There you go. All right, reload. Is that good? Is that good right there? Looking good right there? All right, so I changed the color. Let's see, 5. Okay, there you go. Pastel green. Hey, there you go. Do rainbow, please? I can. It's just going to take effort to do that. I will. All right, so let's see. I'm typing and drawing right now. That's actually pretty impressive. Are you? Oh, hey, Me Films. Hey, Me Films, welcome on in. Good to have you here. Happy Sunday. Steven, I'm scanning your face. Yes, you are. I see it. Whoa. You're doing a face scan. I see what you're doing. I see it. I see. Thank you for the face scanning, guys. Isn't it neat when you can do like the multi-touch fingers? Isn't that satisfying? Oh, it's so satisfying to me. I like it. I like it a lot. I think it's fantastic. You know, we could probably make this full screen. We could go beyond. We could bring this even bigger. So let's see here. 1 second. Draw on my face. Where's that at here? Click. How do I? Oh wait, that's the vertical. 1 second. I need to go to my docs and set vertical. There it is. Okay. Hey, there we go. So we can make that a little bit bigger. And I don't know. You know what? What we could do is I could just scale it myself. So how do we do that? Here, there we go. All right, so let's do full screen. We'll do a full screen view there. Much better, right there. 1 second. Can I grab that? Uh-oh. Here, I got a better idea. There we go. Okay. Now you've scanned. Now you have access to the entire screen. You get the entire screen. You can do it all. The entire screen. All right. There we go. Hide that. Where is the draw my face here? Okay. And then we'll just full screen that. There we go. All right. Now you've got access to my entire screen. Looking good. Looking good, you guys. Here we go. 1 second. Let me make sure to get this all in the right spots. Perfect. Okay. Now you've got access to my entire screen. Perfect. Okay. Steven, you missed me a message? Not K. Could you do neon colors? Yes, I sure can. I sure can. Give me the hex code. Yes. So at not K, send me the hex code for that. The hex code. I made a post on your community page. Mnoti, let's check it out. Steven, S-T-E-P-H-E-N on, let's see, at Steven Blum. Let's see, YouTube, here we go. Okay. Post, newest. Today's stock. Okay, all right, sounds good. Thank you. Thank you for stock quotes. Thank you very much. C-U-O. There you go. There you go. Thank you, thank you. Upvote that. What else? What else we got? Newest. All right. What is that? I saw. Okay. Twitch stat still doesn't work. I saw that one. That was it. That was it. Okay, that was it. Okay. 1 second. Let's get back to our code here. Big brother Tubercio, welcome on in. Good to see you. Happy Sunday. Good to have you here. I got the stock from your iPod Touch 4. Did you really? That's actually pretty impressive. So you probably had Wi-Fi turned on, right? How can I become good like as you? As a beginner, everything feels like it's going right above your head. Hey, it always does. Don't worry. I struggled for many years. I did. It took a long time. Just know that it takes a while to understand. You'll learn little pieces along the way. It won't make sense. And then one day, it will. One day. Oh, all right. FF333. Okay. We'll do that. We'll do that. Here we go. Here we go. Done. Done. Added. All right. Get status. Get add. Get commit AM. Color. Push to main. All right. That'll update in a little bit. So let me update the window here. Let's see. Reload on this. 6. There we go. Oh, and now it's yellow. Is that what you're looking for? Is that what you're looking for? Yellow? My video's lagging. Is it better now? Is it better now? Okay. All right. So, getting distracted, you guys. A little smidgen of distractions here. Scroll this here. So, I was optimizing for things that didn't make sense to optimize for. There we go. Perfect. Okay. Let me reload that. All right. So, now it's just yellow. Now it's just straight yellow. Very, very yellow. Is this the correct? Okay. That looks good. Oh, wait. Now you can't draw on my face. Oh, wait. No, maybe you can. 1 second. Can you grab that? Where is this at? Is this painting? 1 second. Where is... Yo, that's a big scan. I'm trying to see where my color is at here. Is this working? It is. I just can't get it because it's over there. Okay. So maybe... Yeah, whatever. Whatever. What's the point of this? We're just having fun. We're just having fun, buddy. We're having fun, buddy. Okay. Is that good enough? Let me see here. I'm trying to see how it looks. Actually pretty good. That's pretty good. Did I make it so you can't see my face anymore? Is that what's going on? Steven, you missed my message saying you missed my message saying you missed my message. Anime, what do you say? Steven, I missed your message. Let's see. Animati Makey. What do you say? Animati Makey. Animati Makey. You're taking over, Deadly Art. See, Animati Makey. Steven, you also have missed my message. Okay. How can I become... All right, saw that. Animati Makey. I'm scrolling. I'm trying to find you. I'm typing and drawing right now. Is that it? Is that all you said? Go to channel activity. 1 second, let me find that. All right. So here, this is what I see. Miss your message, miss your message, miss your message. I was the one who started with the scans. Oh, you did? You were the original scanner. Is that what you're saying? You scanned originally? Is that it? All right, very nice. Very nice. Thank you, thank you. Okay, 1 second. Yes, all right, nice. Where do you code? Yo, Tough the Block. Good to see you. Welcome on and happy Sunday. Good to have you here. What do you mean? What do you mean? Roy G. Biv. Yes. Yep. The rainbow colors. I remember. Use the hex. The hex. So the thing is, I can only do one at a time right now. Just one color at a time. So I can change that though. I can give you control. It's going to take me a while to build it though. Hey, Mike Blogger. Good to see you. Watching you on your way back home. All right. Good to hear it. Good to have you here. We got the face drawing app going. You missed my message again? Hassan, would you say up there? Just another question. How many hours a day should I practice coding? 6. Right? Does that sound good? It's a lot of hours, I know. Don't get me wrong. But 6 hours is a lot. I mean, it's supposed to do so people in chat can draw on your face. Yes. Exactly. That's what we're doing. Where do you do all your coding? Oh, right here. Right here in Vim. Right there in Vim. All right, there you guys. Right there in Vim. You can say Google thing again, please. Mason Drake, yes. Yo, how's it going there? Arton? RNG, thank you for subscribing and joining my channel for software engineering. Today we're building an HTML5, CSS, and JavaScript app that lets you draw on my screen. See, people are doing it right now. Good to have you guys here. Hi, you're back. Hey, Harsh, good to see you. You give me the hex codes? You can, okay, sounds good. It's a website where you do all your coding. This is GitHub, right? This is GitHub and my local computer. Yeah, that's it. You thought it was more complex than that? It's not. It really is that simple. It really is. Do forest green? What color is forest green? All right. Google forest green hex code. All right. Let's see here. It is going to be this right here. All right. Let's do that. Save. Reload. Looking good there. All right, forest green. All right, now I'll update my screen on my face here. 1 second. Let me find that. I have to pay. Wait, no, it's free. Free as in real estate, you guys. Free as in real estate. It's free real estate. You guys, it's free real estate. It's free real estate. C7. All right, there we go. All right, so there we go. So now it is the correct. Not for me? Yes, it is. Completely free. Yes, free for everyone forever. Free forever. After you do the DAC too. All right, we'll drop that one in here. All right, we changed the color. Color changed. Save. Is that good? Oh, so it's like a nice pastel color. Hey, very nice. We got some pastel going on there. Draw on my face. Let's do 8. There we go. Pastel. Looking good. I like that pastel color there. All right, let's see here. Scroll that over here. Looking good, looking good. Okay, looking good. Cool. Hey, Haley. Good to see you. Welcome on in. Happy Sunday. We're doing draw on my face today. Though it does seem... yeah, you know what? We're good. I think we've got it. I think we're in a good spot, I think. Yes, I think we're in a good spot. We're looking good. We're looking good. Although, let me see that real quick. Here. Here. Can I go here? Let me see. I need to add in one thing. I need to do this. View, dock. I need to get my dock going here so I can see this better. My vertical. And then I need to add that vertical into here so I can see what's going on better. Can I add that? No, I want to change that dock. That dock has to go somewhere different. I need the dock to be there. All right, that sounds good. That sounds good. That's fine. Although that's a danger zone now. That is a danger zone. Okay. I'm just making sure that it all looks good. Okay, so I think that's fine. Let me try it out. Let me try it out. F, you want to go full red? I'm drawn everywhere. I know. It's pretty cool. All right, let's see here. Let's do a quick reload on that. All right, try this. Reload this. Okay. I'm trying to see. Can I? Yes. Okay, good. Okay. So I can still draw on my face mostly. Mostly I can draw on my face, yeah. Okay, that looks good. I'm fine with that. I think we're good. I think there's a way to make it better, but I'm happy with that. I'm happy with that for now. You'll draw on your face. It sounds good. Animati Makey. Oof, what's happening here? Yo, Raj, good to see you, App Sunday. We are building the Draw on My Face app, and it is working. You can see people are drawing my face right now. You can see it. I missed your message, sister. What'd you say? Sister, gotta go. Oh, hey, sister. Well, so thank you so much for hanging out with us today. I hope you have a good rest of your weekend. How's it going there, Brady? Welcome on in. Happy Sunday. Oh, wait. Not Kay. I missed your message too. What'd you say? Oh, you make it red. Okay, make it red. All right, got it. We'll make it red. We'll make it red. 1 second. Red color. So just a bunch of F's there. So full on red. Git add git commit am. We're gonna commit the color red. Red. Push the main branch. Good. Done. Easy. Uh-oh, you guys. I broke it. URLs are treated unique. 1 second. I broke it. What's wrong here? Oh, is that not right? Let's see. What do we do? What do we break? Why is it broken? Are we still good? Oh, hey. Oh, that's much better. Okay. 1, 2. Oh, I made it white. That's why. Yeah, white's not gonna. Let's see here. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, there we go. That wasn't red. That was white. Git add. Git status. Git commit dash am. Actually red this time. All right. Now it's actually red. Sorry about that. Hey, there we go. Now we're red. So I can update this here. We can go like this. 9. Enter. Okay. Looking good. Let's see. Here is a color red. Okay. I just made it. Steven, someone. A80 Bishop, good to see you. Welcome on in. Happy Sunday. Steven, someone is drawing a male's third leg. They're trying. They're attempting it. It's an attempt. All right, 1 second, real quick. Is it working? I mean, you can kind of see it, but not really. Not red, but better. It's red, but better. Okay. Let's paste that in there. All right, let's try that. Yo, nice. You guys are starting to draw things now. I see what you're doing. Uh-oh, you're figuring it out. You figured out the hack, didn't you? You figured it out. That's not red though. That's brown. No, but red is better. I'll bring red back. There goes red. Okay. Red there. Okay, perfect. Yep, I see you're figuring it out. So I need to fix it. Let's see here. 1 second. How do we add colors here? There we go. Perfect. Okay. Looking good. Actually, there we go. Okay, much better. Steven, fix the lag on mobile. Is there some lag right now? It seems good. It looks good to me. Is it working? You guys? Yo, mate, what are we doing? It's wine red. Oh, is it? That's what it was. Okay, got it. It was wine red. Steven, I use CSS mostly. JavaScript is learning. Mike Blogger, teach Java. You're learning JavaScript. All right, very nice. To dig deeper into JavaScript. Hey, sounds good. Sounds good to me. Steven, yes, it's lagging on mobile. I can't draw smoothly. Oh, here. Git status, git add, git commit am, red again, push the main. Okay, so that it might. So let me see here. 1 second. Reload. Let's try that. Here we go. All right. So I don't know if you could see that here, but it looks good to me. I don't know if you could see that. Does that count as lagging? It looks good to me. It looks good. I think that looks good. Right there. That looks perfectly fine. That's smooth. That is smooth right there. You get the smooth lines going on right there. Right? You get a lot of smoothness. So that seems good, right? It doesn't seem like it's lagging. It seemed perfectly fine. It seems perfectly fine. Let's see here. Would be great to see assembly and network programming course. Hey, we will. Hey, we will. We'll bring that back. We'll bring it back. Absolutely. Give link, please. Mnodi. Okay, it's on Discord. On Discord. At Mnodi. On the Discord. It's on the Discord right there. Yeah. All right, 1 second. Let me bring this back over here. Bring this back. One. Okay. Looking good. Looking good. There we go. Reload. All right. Looking good. You missed my message again, Stephen. Animati. See. Animati Makey. Where are you? Is using CSS and JavaScript means you're doing JavaScript. Yeah, it does. Yeah. We're doing JavaScript. It's lagging on Android, not on iPhone. Oh, really? Okay. So I've got my Android here, and it seems to be okay. It might just be a little... Yo, you've been a star! Look at that! That's neat! Yo, right there, a star. Hey, that's pretty satisfying. I like that. See, Era of AI. Yo, you guys, it's so good to see it. It's like when I look away from the screen, the chat just flies by, and I'm like, just having a second there. Red looks good. Steven, yo, mate, doing is great. The Era of AI. Thanks a lot again and again. Yes, absolutely. You got it, Unisem. You got it. Would be great to see. All right, absolutely. We will. So, Animani, what'd you say? It's wine red. Try BA0. Okay, here, I'll try that one. All right, I'll try that color. Here we go. There we go. Save that. See what that looks like. Yo, okay. That's a pretty good red. That's a pretty good red you got there. All right, let me reload that. Real quick on our screen. 2. Okay. All right, there you go. We changed it. You super good at JavaScript, bro. Hey, Mike Blogger, thank you. Good to hear it. That's really nice for you to say. It doesn't work for you? It's working for me. And it works for me on the other phone, too. It works on all the phones. What are you guys talking about? It works. It's working. And it works on Android. It works on iOS. It works on desktop. Is it not working? This was way more comfortable on the eyes. Okay, nice. Good to hear it. Okay. If you know what, it's open source though. If you can figure out a way to create a pull request, I will take a look at it and then I will apply it and then it will be fixed. So if you want, it lags on Samsung A3 on Chrome for some reason. It looks pretty good to me. It's just regular drawing. It's just super ordinary drawing. Look at that. It's just straight up ordinary drawing. Right there. Nothing complex. Hello. Hey, how's it going there? Hi. At IL. Hey, how's it going there, Londa? Good to see you. Welcome on in. Happy Sunday. Good to have you here. What's your language, sir? English. English, yeah? English? You put a pentagon. Oh, you sure did. Yeah, you sure did. I saw that. Yep, you've got the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 finger touch. I like that one. That one's fun. I like the finger touch. So here, I'll do that too. There's the pentagon right there. There we go. Pentagon. It's kind of hard to see. Let's see here. Let me bring this down here so it's a little bit more obvious. Yeah, pentagon is a little tricky to draw. It is. It requires dexterity. Some dexterity. Yo, you're back. Hey, Jonathan, welcome on in. Hey, Helldope12PL, good to have you here. Right there. Good to see you, Jonathan. Welcome back. Good to have you here. We are building that Draw on My Face app, and as you can see, people are drawing on my face right now. How did you become this good at JavaScript and Rust and C? Mike Blogger, you just got practice. It is. That's all it is. It's just practice. It's just a smidgen of practice. Not a challenge whatsoever. Steven, you should add 3D drawing. How do you do that? How would you even do that? How would that work? All right, let's go to the next song, you guys. 1 second. I'm going to pull this up here, get the next song going. There we go. All right. How do you make a star? They're coding. This is programming. They're coding it. They're hacking the system is what they're doing. They're hacking it right now. What programming language, sir? I mean, haha. Oh, this is all of them. I know all of them. So we know all. So thank you for asking. Programming language, sir. Hell dope. This is, we got JavaScript, TypeScript, we got C#, we got Java, we got C++, we got C, we got Rust, Erlang. We got Python. We've got, what else? We got Perl, PHP, Ruby. What else? There's a lot more. Scala. We got Objective-C. Objective-C. We know Swift, Kotlin. Kotlin in there. Kotlin. We know Scala. Wait, I put Scala. I also know Clojure, which is a mistake. You don't need to know Clojure. Clojure. You don't want Clojure. Nope. You don't need that one. We know assembly. Some assembly in there, yeah. Yo, Neva, fourth, Groovy, Elixir. See, I've not practiced any of those. I don't know those ones. Lisp. I know Lua. We're naming all the languages now. Hey, what's your favorite language, you guys? What's your favorite language? All right, from all the languages that Neva mentioned. So what's your favorite? Favorite lang Neva mentioned. All right, mentioned. All right, so you've got Elixir. You've got, what else you got? What else you do? What else you do in there? A Lisp. You said Lisp. Right? That's a mistake. Yeah, you don't want to learn that. You don't want, not Lisp. We got fourth, and what was another one? Groovy. Another JVM language, right? Groovy. All right, what's your favorite Neva language? I started a poll, you guys. There we go. Made a star. You made the star? You're the one who's doing the stars. So you're the one who's doing the stars. I missed your message, just saying you missed my message. Hey, Anamani Makey, sorry about that. Let's see. I missed your message. Anamani Makey. What sign serve you fundamental of one programming language like JavaScript? What is a sign? What is sign serve? I actually don't know what you mean, Helldope. Helldope 12, can you describe that a little bit in a different way? Fundamental one programming language? The best fundamental programming language I think you should learn if you're just being a regular app developer is Python. I think Python's the answer there. Made a star. You made the star. Let's see. Steven, sorry for being so fashionably. What do you mean? Fashionably late. Hey, fashionably late. Oh, Lupus, that's you? Okay. Perfect. Guys, how do you make a star? Let's see. Anamani. You missed my message. So you said how to make a star. So people are programming in their code, with code. Yo, Lupus! Hey, I see you're saying Lupus right there. Look at that right there. Lopyus. Hey, Lupus. Hey, all right. Good to see ya. It's code. Yep, let's code. We're going to make it. We're going to make it happen. See, I'm thinking about writing a new assembler thingy. Oh, very nice, Neva. Very nice. Macro OS, GNU assembler, so I can implement fourth. Yo, that's exciting. Make a star. Yeah. So you have to code it. It's programming. You have to code it. Right? Does that make sense? You send the messages in the XY coordinates. You send the XY coordinates is what you do. So that's what you do. You send the XY coordinates. So you see how it says line 2 here? What you need to do is you need to transmit to my computer the coordinates for the XY. So you see how it's got Lupus here, and then you got the stars. You have to transmit to my computer. Hey, I said hail the star. Okay, sounds good. To make star, y'all just create a code. Yep, you got to write the code. You got it. Good morning, Joe Coates. Good to see ya. Java or C#. Nice. Those are good ones. Like I started writing in C. Yep, not super happy about C. Lets you do kind of requires you be undocumented to do what I want. Yeah, a little bit of unbounding there is what you're saying. Unbounding. How can you know, sir? I know I'm reached a fundamental one language like JavaScript. How can I know, sir? If you've reached enough knowledge in one programming language, if you're able to do anything, I think that's the answer. If you're able to achieve anything without having any hindrances, right? So if you wanted, you could build AI with JavaScript. If you wanted, you could make a game in JavaScript, right? Or if you wanted, you could build an enterprise app, or you could build Uber in JavaScript, right? So things like that, and you wouldn't have any encumbrances. That's what it. Uh-oh, Mnodi, you broke your iPod. No! One on Steven's hand, star. Mine, same on the other hand. There you go, Jonathan. Undefined behavior, yeah. Yo, Lupus, look at that. Hey, that's really neat. Here, I'll clear the screen real quick. I need to do a screen clear. I need to update it so that way I can better clear the screen. I see all the Lupuses there. That's really neat. That's awesome. I like that. I like that. You're just kidding? Oh, okay. Good. Thank goodness. It's always sad when things break. You learn to write this thing? Yes. I learned how to write this thing. Nice. Starting to make loops. There you go. There you go. All right, you guys. This is amazing. Okay, where are we at here? All right, I'm gonna stop spamming. Hey, feel free to spam as much as you want. Do you hire people with only degrees? No. Hey, Mike Blogger, you don't need a degree. You don't. Thank you, sir. So you mean I need to build real app? Yes. 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 Thank you. You have 16K? We do! Official Xenix! Yeah, it happened overnight. It just like, boom, over 16K. Steven, can you make a stream implementing a threaded VM with assembly? Ooh, that might be a tricky one. I've never done that before. I've never done it. That would be an adventure, wouldn't it? How are we drawing? Yo, Joe Gold Life, good to see you. Welcome on in. There's a link on Discord. Right here, draw on my face. Right here on Discord. If you click that right there, click that link, it'll open up a page and you'll be able to draw on my face right here. See, right there. Right there. Draw on my face right there. That's how that works. Clean and easy. Clean and easy. All right, 1 second. Bring this back over here. All right, looking good. Get status. Get commit. Different red. Push to main branch. Good to go. Okay. All right. All right. For people that don't have, you just woke up. Well, welcome. What? Good morning. All right, Neva, I like your idea. That's a good idea. Let me put that in our Discord under stream ideas. Here we go. Here we go. All right, new post. All right, you said implement a thread in VM. All right, so implement threaded VM in ASM. I don't know about that one. That one sounds like that one might be, you know, it might actually not be that hard. It might not be that hard. Never recommended we do this. Okay, post done. There you go. There you go. People prob don't have. Send the link in chat. Oh, Jonathan. Okay, so one of the things that we're discouraged from is actually sending links in chat. So the only link I'll probably send is Discord. That's like the best one because that helps build up the community. However, if you Google, check this out. All right, Jonathan, check this out. Google for Stephen LB GitHub. It'll bring up a GitHub page here. Click on Stephen Blum GitHub there. Click on repositories. Then you click on draw on my face. And then you click on this link over here in the right column. So you click that right there. Right there. And that allows you to draw on my face. There you go. Right there. Let's close this. Close, 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 close. Let me close everything. All right. Looking good. There we go. There we go. All right. Stephen, I wrote hi. Oh, you did? Oh, I can't see it. I can't see it. Where is it? Where is it? Say hi again. Try to say hi again. Let me see if I can see that. All right, where are we going? Back over to this. Yep. Join the council. Hey, Rojix, chill guy. Yo, hey, how's it going over there? Sudo, thank you for subscribing. You're joining the right channel for software engineering. Good to have you here. Today, we're building an HTML, CSS, and JavaScript app that is going to let you draw on my face. You can see it's already happening right at this moment. The drawing is happening. It's happening, you guys. Okay, you'll try. Oh, I think I see it. I think I see it right there, right? Yo, I was going there. Moostacat, welcome on in. I was going there. Portable Couch 15. Hello. Good to see you. Happy Sunday. Good to have you here. All right. Let me see if... What do we want to do next here? We can do something next. We need to add in... I would like it if it starts disappearing after a while, right? So let's see if we can add the disappearing. What are we making? This is a JavaScript app that lets you draw on my face. That's what we're doing. So we built this. It's called Draw on My Face. And now you can actually do that. There you go. There you go, Hell Dope. You got it. Can you play Minecraft one day? Yes, official Xenix. We did. So we've done that before. We did that one time. We've done it once. We played Minecraft on stream one time. It'll have to be on the weekend, though, not during the weekday. You wrote it again? You wrote hi? Nice. Thank you. I can barely see it, though. There's too much going on the screen. Here, let me reload. Okay, try again. The canvas is clear. How do you draw? Portable Couch. So you can join the Discord here real quick. and go to general chat. Click on draw on my face link right there. You click that, it brings open a window that lets you draw on my face. I like that right there. Build chess next. Yo, Mike Vlogger. So we kind of built chess. We did a little bit. We added a smidgen of chess. Just a smidgen. It was 1 month ago you saw it. You did? Nice. We can do that again. Official Xenix. We could absolutely do that again. Okay, where are we at now, you guys? I want to add one more feature at least. So we should add at least one more feature. What should we do next? We could give you color. We can give you color. So if it says if style, let's see. Let me grab this. Events, not events. All right, so line 2, if event dot style. You know what? How about this? We'll say const style, style equals. Yo, hey, Portable Couch, thank you for subscribing. You joined the right channel for software engineering. It's so good to have you here. Today we're building an HTML5 CSS JavaScript app that lets you draw on my face. As you can see, clearly you can see what's going on. You can see it. Thank you for joining. Yo, Chitter Royal, good to see you. Whoa, what happened? Was there? Yeah, we're drawing my face. That's what we're doing. Baxter, change YouTube username. Hey, Rudra. All right, Rudra Iota. I like your name. I like the name change. What was your original name? Who were you before? How about HTML, CSS, common sense if you're dev so you can mention it? Wait, hell dope, what do you mean? What do you mean? I did not understand that. I didn't understand it. Steven, I missed your message again. I miss your message all the time. Hi there again. There is hi again. Hey, I see it. I see it right here. Right there, I see it. Hi. Hey, I'm Nodi, I see it. I'm Animane, sorry. At Anim. Thank you. I see it now. Tell people how to get there. Jonathan, okay. So step 1, join Discord. I will send a link here in chat. Copy a link, edit invite link, generate new link, copy. Then you go over here at Jonathan. Click the Discord link. That's step 1. Step 2, you'll have access to all the links that we have in the future, including the Draw on My Face app right here. And you click on that, and then you can draw. There you go. Back after 1 second. Sounds good? You changed it because people think my name is Rudrax. Oh, that's why you changed it. Rudra. Now we know it's Rudra. Hey, all right. See, we're making progress. We're making progress, aren't we? If you develop, sir, the common sense, you need to know HTML and CSS. I think so. I think that's a good one. I think it's a good common strategy. I think so, yes. So, yes. Yes, I would say HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Python, C. I think those are very good fundamentals. Those are good fundamentals. Rudra, now we got it. There we go. There we go, you guys. I'm with you there. Okay. So let's see. I want to add in style, event.style, or we'll have just a color, a default color, yeah? So let's go up here. We'll have a const default color. Const default color style equals. We'll have it be a like a let's do magenta. No, we'll keep it red. 1 second. We'll keep it this color here. Yeah, there we go. 1 second. Vibe coding better? It is. Yes, it is. You're right. It is. It's better. It is better. You got it. You're gonna slowly try to type love. Okay, sounds good. I'll try to keep it up. It sounds good. Paste. There we go. Okay, I need to set default style there, and then I need to add the style if it exists, or default style. There we go. Then we're gonna set stroke style. There we go. Should we do the style? Yeah, I think that's fine. All right, style. There we go. STYLE. Perfect. Okay. So now, if you want, you can include your own colors. Now you can include your own colors. Let me double check. See if that works. Yep, no problems. Looking good there. Looking good, you guys. Never can I get mod. Oh, you're asking questions. If you do web, JS, HTML, doing games and engines, doing low-level stuff in C or Rust, You just need to speed go. We'll be fine. See? Neva says so too. There you go. Java or C# also very good options to learn as a first basis. I agree. Those are very good starting languages. Educational languages, you guys. I have met a YouTuber with female version of you, like an experience. She has an experience of decade or more. Yo. All right. Well, let me tell you about myself then. My name is Stephen Blum. I am CTO co-founder at PubNub. Todd Green is my co-founder. We started PubNub over a decade ago. We raised 134 million Series E, 1 billion devices on my network, like these phones, right? A lot of phones. 25 years professionally in tech. Yes, I am in my 40s, you guys. I'm very old. I am very, very old. All right, you wrote L, Steven. Hey, nice. Nice. Good to hear it. What about making HTML, CS, JavaScript app to make music together? Oh, yeah, that's also a good idea. Hey, Natnol. Yeah, absolutely. Actually, I know everything about you. You do already? You sure do. You've been here long enough to know. How do I draw? How do I draw on you? So step 1, Jonathan, go to Discord. I'll grab the Discord link here real quick. Also, I already sent you that link earlier, but I'll send it to you again. Yo, Richard Rutherwick, good to see ya. Jonathan, click on the Discord link and then click in this here. Click that link right there. And then you can click it and it will create a screen that looks like that. And then you can draw on my face. There you go. You can draw. Yes, you can. Right there. Draw on my face, you guys. All right, let me get back over to the screen that I'm looking for. Here we go. Okay. Okay. All right. Steven, I'm sad someone took your math mods. Oh, both mods. I know. Your mods are gone. You got to get them back. You got to keep on working. Never give up. Never give up. Keep working. You don't see yours? You don't? Really? Are you, Jonathan, which browser are you using? Which browser are you using? Use Try Chrome. Jonathan, try with Chrome. That might be necessary. Day 2 of spelling Steven correctly. Hey, hi, Steven. Hey, Alex. Good to see you. Welcome on in. Happy Sunday. Good to have you here. Google, yeah. With Chrome? Google Chrome, yes. Yes, Google Chrome. Yes. Yes. Exactly. Good to have you here. What did I just walk into? Hey, Victor. Hey, Victor. Yep, we're drawing on the screen, you guys, and you're drawing my face. All right, let me double check. Is this looking good here? Let me double check. Okay. So we should be able to transmit the style now. If you want, you can transmit the style. Yo, who's that? Yo, player here. Thank you for subscribing. You joined the right channel for software engineering. Good to have you here. Today, we're building an HTML5 CSS JavaScript app that lets you draw on my face. Clearly, you can see the screen is chaos right now. It is it's chaos everywhere. It is full of chaos. You missed your message, but I'm impatient. You search it up. You wrote? Okay. Anamani, what'd you say? Steven, sir, agreed vibe coder need a fundamental encoding with it's not proper calling to developer. Yes, I think so. If you're just using the AI to write the code for you, you're not really a software engineer, right? I mean, that's fine if you're not. It's perfectly fine. You don't have to be. You're just a user of an app, and the app happens to be Cursor, right? So you're a user of Cursor, and Cursor is building apps for you. You don't need to be a trained engineer to do that. That's perfectly fine, right? It's perfectly fine. You motivate me, Steven. Hey, Mike Blogger, good to hear it. Good to hear it, you guys. Thank you, Mike Blogger. You're wonderful. All right, if I missed your message, you wrote L. Steven. I saw you wrote L. Steven there. I saw it. All right, if I missed your message, you guys just let me know again. Where's the link? It's in Discord, standard. It's in Discord right here. Or right there in Discord, right there. And then you can type in my screen. All right, M. Noti, good to have you here. All right, where are we at here? All right, so thank you guys for Steven, I'll find you. Wrote O, okay. All right, sounds good. Steven, I will find you. Yes, write O. Okay, write the O. Write the O. I think you can have 100% AI generated code, but not be a vibe coder. Yeah, you used to have people vibe coding before AI. That's true. That is true. But I want to be a real software engineer. You want to be a real software engineer, sir? How can I do that? Should I use AI to vibe code? No, that's not a beat. You're not a real software engineer. That's fine though. That's fine. You don't have to be. You can just use Claude, Codex, Cursor, Grok, whatever. Brock, you name it. You can do that. You do not need to be a real software engineer to write code anymore. You don't. It's perfectly fine. Wait, now people can write screen? Yes, we did it. Mnoti, you guys made chaos. You made it chaos. Look at that, you guys. My goodness, you're gonna make the whole screen red. Hey, where are we going? We're gone now. We're gone. Oh no. Oh, we gotta. Oh, it's go over now. Steven, I wrote V and we'll find your bed if you don't see this message. I read it. Animati Makey. I saw your message. I did this, Nat Null. Good job. Good job, Nat Null. You made the screen. You took over. I was waiting for someone to do that. You made the screen red. Good job. Game over. We did it. You did it, you guys. Good job. Don't motivate them to use AI, Steven. Right, exactly. You don't, if you want to be a real software engineer, you just have to not use AI. That's really what it is. Just don't use AI. That's it. That's the answer. Don't use AI. Boom. Done. Real software engineer. Good to go. I can't write letters. Not anymore. Not anymore. You know why? Because here, I'm going to add colors, you guys. So you can add colors. All right. Git status, git add -am, git commit. We're going to say colors supported. All right. Within about a few moments, you should be able to use any color. Oh my gosh, this entire screen's red. I cannot see you. I know, we're gone now. Hey, I can do anything I want. I'm like behind the screen now. You can't see what I'm doing. I can like make lewd gestures if I wanted to. I found how to triple size the drawing with coding. Did you really? Did you? You should make it be able to write letters. Yes. What do you mean about that? Wait, Logan Stevens. Hey, Logan Steven, good to see ya. You can't see me now. Yeah, oh, lewd gestures is what you're talking about. The lewd gestures. Yeah, don't worry. I'm not actually going to. So, I mean, for AI learning, good for smart. Yes. Ask ChatGPT. Exactly. Yeah. You can use it to help you understand things. However, you don't want it to write the code for you, right? Do not use AI to write the code for you. Use AI to learn, but not to write the code for you. You suggest, sir, don't study fundamentals, just do AI? No. Hello, no AI. Only write by hand yourself. And then you would be engineer. Write by hand yourself. No AI. Can you here clear the screen? Yes, I can clear the screen. Do you guys want me to clear the screen? All right, we're gonna clear the screen. 1 second. We're gonna do a screen clear here. And then we're gonna have to, there we go. Screen cleared, boom. Boom, I've got special screen clear abilities. Yo, Ned, good to see ya. Why are the scribbles everywhere? Oh, hey, Ned. Ned, good question. All right, so Ned, the answer is, if you click the link, I'll send it to you here real quick. There you can draw my face, and then you can add your own. @Ned. That allows you to draw on my face, basically. You can draw on my entire screen. We wrote this over 2 days. It is a pretty good app. It's not perfect. We need to add a lot more features to it. We finally added mobile support today. That's what we did today. I call that a victory. And if you guys figure it out, you can have a vibe code system add color now. It supports color. It supports any color you want to add into it. It supports it. Right there, a little bit of support. All you have to do is add style, and you're good to go. Even repetitive tasks, sir. Yes. Well, sure. I mean, yeah, of course. Which Steven person who codes or develop that can become a hacker? Which Steven the person who code or develop? I recommend being a force for good. Be a force for good, you guys. Write code and build things and be constructive, not destructive. I'm going to make a color picker. Hey, Jin Lu. All right, sounds good. Hey, Jimmy Edits. Let's see. Steven, you missed my message. What'd you say? Hey, Steven, you seem to be having problems pronouncing my name, so you can just say fizz, like fizzy drink. It's Animati Makey, right? Animati Makey? Automati Makey, right? Madi Makey. Anamani Makey. That's it. That's the answer. Right there. What is this? Hey, how's it going there, Arsh? Good to see you. Arash. Welcome on in. Good to have you here. Happy Sunday. There we go. Anamani Makey. So you guys, I do have to head out. Any mods, can you make me mod, please? Jimmy Edits is asking for mod. If anyone, Jimmy Edits has been here for a while. If you want, Jimmy Edits would be someone to mod. Let's see. The reason why you can't fill the screen is because it keeps lasting 100 points. Yes, of every user. But the problem of that old data, one person is not deleted. So if you draw, yep, you figured out Nath Null. You figured it out. You figured it out. In fact, that is one of the things that we have in our to-do. We need to limit the point duration and prevent draining the user ID index. Right there. That's the answer. That's how that works. In the DC, can I send code? Yes, in the Discord. Absolutely. Absolutely. Can I send you to show how to make anything? Sure, Jonathan, absolutely. It's fun watching you pronounce my name. Yeah, Anamani Makey. That's how you say it, right? That's how you say it. All right, please use you live tomorrow. Yes, Mike Blogger will be live at 8 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time. So I do have to go now, you guys. It was a lot of fun. I enjoyed spending time with you today. Thank you for spending time with us. How about, sir, if you don't exactly know to write code, but I have an idea, how can I implement it? Should I copy code ChatGPT? Hands? No. Well, sure. If you don't want to be a software engineer, that's fine. You don't have to be a software engineer to use ChatGPT or Codex or Gemini. You don't have to be a software engineer. Rudra, thank you. Hey, Kyle, you missed it. I know. We're drawing on the screen. I was having fun drawing an Obama on the front. Hey, there you go. The Fourier transform. You could do that. Yo, you figured out the color. Hey, who did that? Who did that? You get a gold star. You get a gold star. You figured out the color. Good job. Good job, you. Good job. Yay, it's green, Jin Lu. All right, you did it. You did that, Jin Lu. Good job, Jin Lu. Good job. Good job. All right, get status. Status. All right, good. All right, so we do have get status. Are we good to go? Okay. Get status. All right, we're good. We're good. I missed your message. Anamani Makey. Thank you for keep asking. No, it said differently. Oh, it is? Okay. All right. Well, that sounds good. Well, you know what, you guys? Deleted data from one user points older than 5 seconds. So I have points. Yep. There you go, Nath. No, you got it. You figured it out. Why is there a bunch of lines? Hey, the Living Mars bar. This is because we have a Draw on My Face app. We will be live back tomorrow. You'll be able to draw on my face again. And I'm going to update it so that way I have a little more control. And some of the screen doesn't like get fully covered, right? So we'll be good to go. Draw, there you go. Yo, been quite a while. Can I get a mod now? Official Xenix, thank you for asking. All you have to do is figure out if anyone says yes. When they do, Official Xenix, when they do, you'll get it back. Chat has been so well behaved. They sure have. How do I make it 3D? Jonathan, you can add color now. So you can add depth. If you figure it out, you win. You figure it out, you win. How long experience do you have, sir, in development? 25 years professionally. So you can see your 25 years professionally right here. 25 years in tech professionally. 25 is the answer. Oh, what have I missed? Hey, this is a Draw Your Face app. We built JavaScript, CSS, HTML. We built the app. Here's the code right here. It's on GitHub. It's available for free, and it's open source. So that means that you can modify it, and you can now. Joe, can I be mod? See, something cool, and we will make you mod. Cool. Hey, Official Xenix, you've got it. You figured it out. So Kyle says you got to do something cool, and then we'll make you mod. There we go. Same with Jimmy. All right, let's see. 1 second. Chat has been so well behaved. Yo, Eisen, thank you for subscribing. You joined the right channel for software engineering. Good to have you here. Welcome on in. All right. Well, I had a lot of fun today, you guys. We're gonna wrap this up, though. I do have to get going. Where do I build something? Yeah, that works. 25 years. Wow. Yeah, there we go. Just GitHub for Codeberg or send. Yep, there you go. Exactly. Yo, I was going to Lalevana Sicinian. Wait, how do you say your name? Lale Avana. Okay, Avan. Alo Levan. Sir, even 25 years developer, what'd you say? Sir, how AI you use, sir? No AI. None. Zero. Zero AI in 25 years. Obviously, AI didn't exist back then when I was coding. So we didn't have a choice. I will eat you. Missed message. Oh, Anamani Makey, yes. I keep missing it. I finished writing love and I will eat you. Oh, okay. Sounds good. Thank you. Do you see my 3D drawing? It's too much on the screen. Here. It's too much on the screen. Jonathan, it's too much. All right, I reloaded it. What about me, Joe? Let's see. Yeah, so no from Joe. Sorry. There you go. But I see you, Gemini, sir. You taskbar. Yes. Oh, yes, I use AI now. I do. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Joe, let's see. Yeah, I have. So yes, I use AI now. I do. Just not while on stream. So we code everything ourselves by hand. So everything you see here on the screen, we coded this all by hand. All right, you guys. Thank you so much for joining. I had a lot of fun today. Tomorrow, we'll continue with the draw on my face. We're going to add more features. We'll add a color swatch. We'll make it so that way the screen is more active. We'll add a little more things in there. It'll be fun. We'll add some more stuff. Look, 3D. I don't see it. Where is it at? You don't have a duped account. Okay. The main issue with AI is that it messes with your learning. It does. Exactly. So the reason is you don't want to use AI when you're learning as much as possible. Fun. Thank you, guys. Yeah. Thank you. I see it a little bit. I do. I see a smidgen of it. I certainly do. I see. Thank you, guys. All right, you guys. Thank you so much. Have a good rest of your day. Bye, everybody. Hey, Twitch. Who's over there on Twitch still? Do you get the message I sent? Logan. It's not. I don't see it. Thank you for the party poppers. I see 3D. I see it. I see that. I see the square. Yeah. There we go. Thank you, Steven. Take care. All right, everybody. Have a good rest of your day. Enjoy. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Thank you, sir. Hell dope. You got it. Okay. Official Xenix, you got the plan. Steven already studied, so exactly. Hence, Steven is without AI, right? There you go. Already studied. I love you live, sir. Thank you so much. Appreciate it. Standard Z plays. Okay, so standard Z play. If it doesn't work, see the GitHub repo. Feel free to make a PR. Yo, Bob Paul, thank you for joining in. We're leaving right now. Where do I build something with? All right. Bye, everybody. Have a great rest of your day. See you tomorrow.